Hi Sachin.
Hey, hi,
There
hi.
was some network issue, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let us continue. So my third question would be, uh, so let me think. Mm, you being a e-commerce, like we are working in e-commerce, okay?
Okay.
Any situation, any instance where you did something uh, out of the box, okay, out of the box, and it really helped your category.
Yeah.
Going out of the box, like doing something extraordinary, because here the interviewer will see that what was your initiative, what was
Hmm.
that you went outside the box and collected that and performed it so that your category will win. Was there any instance like this? Is there any instance,
Yeah,
Sachin?
yeah, I have.
Yeah.
Vikram, I was in men's category. So, according to me, this is my experience which I went to out of the box and I did something.
Okay. What was that?
So, I was in men's category. So, as you know, in men's category, t-shirt catalog count is more as compared to shirt catalog count.
Correct.
So at the time where we are in men's category, at the time resale is demanding for shirt catalog. So my category manager has given this project to me to increase the shirt catalog count in our category.
Okay.
So I made some point after receiving this project. I made some point. I collect all the trending design with different portals like
Okay.
TikTok platform, Paytm, Snapdeal, Flipkart, Amazon, all the trending design, like all different portals, top portals, small portals. So I shared. Then I spoke with some of the supplier who is already dealing with shirt as a scat, existing
Okay.
suppliers.
Mm-hmm.
So I shared a design. I divided suppliers into three parts.
Mm-hmm.
Firstly, manufacturer,
Mm-hmm.
retailer, and distributor.
Okay, so you
So
bucketed them under this
eh,
manufacturer,
three.
trader, or whether he's a wholesaler. Okay, go ahead.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, I spoke with manufacturer and I shared all the trending design, 10 each design with each supplier, and I
Okay.
convinced them to bring a new catalog, bring this catalog. They will definitely get a sale because this design is already trending on different portals. But
Correct,
in
correct.
Meesho we don't have. So
Okay,
we
it's not
are our
available in
resale.
Meesho, but it's available elsewhere and they are trending, right?
Yeah, they are trending.
Yeah.
So our resale is demanding for this design. If you
Okay.
bring this design, they will definitely get a sale. You will get it, definitely get the sale. So
Correct,
supplier will agree, and
correct.
supplier is ready to prepare this because it usually take like around 15 days to
Yeah, 15 to 20 days is the tag for getting
that
something
for prepare
manufactured
getting
shirt.
some new products because photo shoot and all the things we have to do,
Yeah, yeah.
and
Got it, got
thread
it.
count is also like important for the shirt.
Yeah, yeah, thread count and the design, the print, it all take 15 to 20 days of the time to send that catalog to you, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
So
go ahead.
secondly, I spoke with retailer, like who is importing product from different manufacturer. So
Okay.
I spoke with them. I convinced them to bring a catalog on P70 price. So
What is
at
this P70? So,
P70 in the sense we have some criteria, like we have pricing, like we
yeah,
need to upload a shirt catalog between 100 to 540.
okay.
So
So
this is
like my
P70.
my understanding on this is like 70% of that catalog on that price has sold
Hmm.
on your platform, right?
540. Yeah, yeah, 540. Right, right.
Okay, go ahead, go ahead.
So I spoke with them. I convinced them to bring catalog on P70 price,
Mm-hmm.
and they are agree. They are agree. So this no, this all supplier I have already with connecting with them, and I already have a bond with them. So they are
Okay,
agree. Sachin ji, we will bring this new catalogs, and we
okay.
will help you to upload a catalog in shirts as cat. So I usually say, yeah sir, मुझे please catalog दे दो क्योंकि
Correct,
शर्ट
so much.
कैटेगरी में चाहिए. सो
Mm-hmm.
then lastly I spoke with brands, some of the supplier who is dealing with own brands, because
Okay.
Meesho, you know very well that we didn't upload any
Mm-hmm.
catalog on Meesho platform,
Mm-hmm.
who is dealing with other brands like.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So, firstly, I spoke with like Alan Peter, AD Peter, and other suppliers like Campo Sutra and other suppliers who is dealing with
These
own
are all
brands,
big suppliers, right? They are big
big
brands, big
suppliers.
suppliers.
So
Yeah,
they
in
are
India.
ready to onboard into like Meesho platform, and they are ready
Got
to
it.
give their catalog on Meesho. So I
So you
convinced
got
them.
all these trending designs from these big suppliers, right?
Big suppliers like
Got it.
so after that I we have some few temporary did supplier also in our category who stopped their business due to some previous issues.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
I convinced them. I spoke with around like I prepare a 50 supplier sheet who stop their business, and I check all the issues,
Mm-hmm.
and I spoke with them. I convinced 10 supplier in which I 50 supplier in which I convinced 10 supplier to start business again with Meesho.
Mm-hmm.
So I convinced them ki I assured them that I will be taking care of your account going further. And if you need any kind of help, you can directly contact me on this number. Otherwise, you can WhatsApp me, and I will resolve your all the previous issue, and I will be taking care of your account.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, sorry, after that I convinced them, and that month I uploaded
So
around
catalogs,
900.
yeah. So the
Huh?
designs, the trending designs which you took, so
Yeah.
you uploaded them, and how it happened, like whether you started getting orders, and you told that like you tried to convince only 10 suppliers because no, all the
Hmm.
suppliers will not agree to get all the designs. So you
Hmm.
coordinated with your top three
No,
suppliers.
they are like
Yeah.
temporary disk supplier. They already decided to stop their business with Meesho because of some previous issue, in
Okay.
which I convince like 10 supplier to start again with Meesho because they are ready, but they have some previous issues with Meesho,
Okay.
like
Okay. Got
uh,
it. Got it. Got it.
something like payment issue, wrong product received, and all.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
I explain him each and everything like, sir, I know very well that you are getting wrong products, but right now Meesho is developing and Meesho started a quality check and other process also.
Oh,
So I will
exactly.
help you to reduce your wrong product, and I will help you to reduce your payment issues and all, and I will be taking care of your account.
Okay.
After that, he gave me around like that month I uploaded 900 catalog in shirt access cat, only in shirt access cat.
So all these trending
And
designs which you searched, you
yeah,
got it from the vendor and you uploaded them.
some design I didn't get, but
Yeah,
some
yeah.
design
But
already
most of
got.
them you got, and
Yeah,
you uploaded them.
around,
And
yeah, that month I'm the first employee in my team that who uploaded 900 catalog in
wow.
uh, shirt access cat in men's category team.
Yes,
So
yes, yes. I am
so
I am the
I
witness for this, man. Yeah, you have uploaded maximum number of catalogs
yeah.
in Meesho. So that's really very nice because getting something new into e-commerce, getting new product into the e-commerce will obviously boost the sale. So yeah,
Yeah.
that was really
After
so out of
that,
the box, as in you like these suppliers were not happy with the how Meesho was performing, but you
yeah.
pitched them, you called them, you shared them the designs, trending designs where you assured them of giving more orders, right? And you uploaded the catalogs, and yeah, it's obvious that they also start getting the orders.
Yes.
So, and then you were talking about something that 50 suppliers and then coming to 10 suppliers. Like, what was this? Like, what happened?
Vikram, you know, like temporary did supply, like they
Yeah, yeah.
already decided to stop their business with
Business.
Meesho because of some big issue, double discounting issue. So
Okay.
I'm the key account manager. I don't have that much of access to resolve all the issues. My
Exactly.
category manager
Agreed.
has, but
Agreed. Hmm.
my category manager has like, but this supplier is not necessary for us because they are getting usually 30 or 40 orders. So I
Correct.
basically focus on those supplier who is dealing with like huge kind of brands and huge kind of categories. So
Okay, okay,
I
okay. So
convince
like, yeah,
those
yeah.
supplier, I afford on those supplier only.
Okay, so you like you filtered out the supplier list with basis on the orders, something, right?
Yeah.
Orders only, and who is doing
Hmm.
well, who is getting the orders only. You spoke to them because others will be not helping them. It's just the time pass where you're not helping them, the suppliers.
Hmm. Yes,
So
yes, yes.
And yeah, that so I want to tell you this, Sachin, that suppose if someone asks you or some interviewer asks you that what is that one thing you did out of the box, so you need to explain the best instance happened with you, which really helped the category, which really brought that change in terms of you doing something. It might have literally done by you. It might have literally changed the catalog category growing in terms of growth, in terms of getting orders, or in terms of growing supply, anything. So yeah, you send that trending design to all those suppliers, you got them, you listed them, and yeah, it
Uh,
happened that you uploaded highest number of catalogs, right? That
yeah.
particular month, and
So I
yeah,
prepare all the details and present in front of my category